दोहरी सी जिंदगी हर रोज दोहराता हूं, दो राह पर दो मंजिलें पाता हूं। मुखौटा सूरज का, चेहरा चांद का, दो आसमानों में रोज डुबोता हूं। दोहरी सी जिंदगी हर रोज दोहराता हूं, दो राह पर दो मंजिलें पाता हूं।
Surat has a beautiful culture of having this theatre competition once in a year organized by Surat Municipal Corporation. And Surat has its own around 10 to 15 groups which participates every year. So I joined one of the group and that's how the journey started.
और इसलिए आज इस मोहन के मसाले को मैं आप सबके साथ बांटने आया हूं।
But then when I actually saw a few plays coming from Bombay and I saw that there is a huge difference. What the difference is not in the sense of content. It's the presentation and visualization. So coming from a small town, we always used to feel that yaar, theatre गरीब है, theatre में ऐसा ही होता है, you have to do compromises. But the approach in Bombay is different. There is no compromise allowed. If you are an actor, you have to sing while you have to run and you have to perform. You can't give an excuse कि यार मैं दौड़ते दौड़ते गा रहा था इसलिए सांस फूल गई. So that particular thin line, that whenever we say that because we don't have enough funds, we compromise, is a wrong thought process altogether. And experimental theatre has no money that way that can help you sustain in a city like Bombay. Because when I went there, I had to stay in a rented place. And while doing one of the projects, I came across a big corporate and they offered me the full-time job.
मैंने मिनिमलिस्टिक अप्रोच धारण कर लिया, पर ऐसी सादगी और ऐसा अप्रोच रोजमर्रा के कामों में बाकी विचारों की गरीबी कभी नहीं रखी.
And I was in corporate role. It's a full-fledged corporate industrial engineering profile. The profile itself is demanding. So the only thing is that those 8 hours, 8.5 hours or 9 hours, whenever you're in office, you're in office. The moment you come out, the remaining time that you have to utilize, you meet people, create opportunities, work for them. I was fortunate enough to come across good people who could actually, understand the need in me, understand my thirst, and they actually, help me work in a way which can suit to balance both these things. So if I talk about Manoj Shah, we have been working together since last 10 years now. So there is an unsaid understanding between us. See, the biggest issue is the current working culture of India. We still feel कि जो लेट तक काम करता है वही काम करता है. If you leave on time, you are leaving half day. You are not focused about your job. So in Western countries, if you see, the understanding is absolutely different. If you are not able to finish your job in timeline, then you are not productive. So that's where it is difficult for people like us to manage who are actually doing two things together. Because whatever you try, ultimately it's all about the time game. Because I can't create more than 24 hours in a day. So whatever I have to do in those 24 hours, you can compromise your sleep, you can compromise your family time. But beyond certain working hours, nobody will work for you. So because I know that we rehearse morning 5:30 for the play. So I used to rehearse from 5:30 to 8. Then I used to travel for my work because I stay in Kandivali, my office was in Vashi. So that morning travel time is around 1.5 to 2 hours. So then after the office, I have another rehearsals or sometimes shows. So I have to leave on time. In between, Bayar happened, that first Gujarati film that I did. It worked very well. After that, I was offered back-to-back films, but I couldn't do it because of the job that I was doing. And that film also that I shot for 25 days at a stretch, I used my leaves that I have gathered from last 8 years' jobs. So I used those 20 days for a shoot as my annual leave. The team was there, they're good enough to support me that way. Then after 2 years, this particular thing happened, Wrong Side Raju happened. And now was a time where there are a lot of things happening together. So then I felt that this is the correct time to change now. Because this is what I was waiting for. And I had compromised everything, my family had compromised everything just for this particular moment. But the only thing that I understood very early, which worked for me personally, is that there is no space for error. There is no space for compromise in any of the fields. Because nobody is going to think that अरे बेचारा तो थिएटर करता है तो थोड़ा चलेगा. ना थिएटर में कोई सोचेगा कि अरे बेचारा जॉब करता है तो चलेगा. So what I have to do is I have to give 110% at both the sides. First I have to satisfy their requirements and then whatever adjustment I want can be done. So the only thing that can keep you going is your own passion and your desire. If you decide you want to do it at any cost. So that's the only thing that can keep you going. I guess it's not that difficult, but at the same time it's not that simple also.